athletes tayo representing Region 1. So, naka-house dapat tayo sa INHS compound until May 21, from April 21 to May 21. 63 athletes, 14 coaches yata rin, tapos nadadaga deaf and trainers tayo, kanadada national trainers, tapos mga 120 lang dito po ato, wushu, ibagi tayo ito wushu, wrestling, taekwondo, armies, gymnastics, football, futsal, lawn tennis, swimming. Hindi ang athletes tayo. So ito nag-gold medal sa video medal. Kasi nag-represent. Handpicked necessary o rin nag-gold medal no hang ada namin kasama no running event the athletics. Ada namin qualifying time no hang pimasa de qualifying time.